All right, good morning, guys. We got the 89 Ranger GT out again today. And today, I'm going to be doing something I've wanted to do for a long time with this little truck. Um, and that is, I'm going to work on upgrading the car audio system in it. This truck still has, as well as the 88, it still has the original factory uh, audio system in it, the original head unit and original speakers. So I'll go through real quick and show you what these came out with from the factory. Again, this is the 89. It is the Ranger GT you see there. That's just a trim package, limited production trim package. I think 730 this year. But there's a lot of videos I've got on these trucks you can go look at. So behind the seat, and this is also behind the driver's seat as well, there's one of these little boxes here. It's just a little black plastic box with a 5-inch round speaker in it. So I'm going to have those replaced. Those speakers, guys, are 35 years old. You can see in there or not, but to my knowledge, they've never been replaced. And I've owned this truck several years, so I'm about the third owner of it, I guess you'd say. But so those 5-inch speakers, again, there's one on the other side back there too, just like this one. They're going to be replaced. And then you've got the same 5-inch speaker in the in both doors here. This is, of course, the passenger side. And then over there on the driver's side door, you got one as well. So we're going to be replacing the factory speakers. Not going with anything big. When I grew up in the '90s, we had the big boom speakers and subs and amps and all that good stuff. And I had some pretty good stereo systems. I will admit, in different cars that I had. But this is just going to be upgrading the factory speakers and head unit with basically the same size we have now. Now, I'm going to go with a single DIN CD player, and I know there's your factory AM/FM radio in these trucks. No frills, no CD player, no cassette player. You just got the AM/FM radio. You got the seek and tune button. You got the preset, 6 preset buttons. You got the bass, the treble, the balance, and the fade. And you see this is a Ford radio. So there you have it, guys. That is the stock head unit that came in this 89 Ford Ranger GT trim. And I'm going to upgrade that this morning. So I'll do another video and let you guys see what I've upgraded it to. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next video.